Who is the father of mathematics? The father of mathematics is thought to have been Archimedes. One of the earliest sciences to be formed was mathematics. Who is the father of mathematics is a hotly debated subject in this particular branch of study. One of the most famous Greek mathematicians is Archimedes. The father of mathematics is what they call him. We'll cover a brief overview of some of the greatest mathematicians lives in this video. The father of mathematics made key discoveries and contributed ideas to mathematical research. Any student who is passionate in learning the methods for solving mathematical puzzles has probably questioned who invented mathematics. Father of mathematics, Archimedes' life. Because of his vital role in the growth of mathematics, Archimedes is revered as the father of mathematics. Even today, his contributions are being used very actively. He is still regarded as one of the most well-known figures from classical antiquity, despite the fact that nothing is known about his birth, family, and early years. He passed away in the Syracuse siege in 212 BC. He was born in 287 BC into a family of astronomers. His father is an astronomer by the name of Phidias. He was born at Syracuse, which at the time was a Greek colony. From an early age, Archimedes developed a passion for learning about physics, mathematics, and politics. Throughout his entire life, Archimedes was enthralled by equations and problem-solving in mathematics. His family also helped him receive a good education for Archimedes. He most likely enrolled in the Egyptian school of mathematics for this reason. Interesting facts on Archimedes. Archimedes has a number of fascinating facts. In honor of Archimedes' contribution, a medal called the Fields Medal bears the likeness of the inventor. The greatest mathematicians of the day received this coveted honor. Archimedes became extremely well known. As a result, this Greek scientist's name was given to an asteroid. In addition to this, there is a well-known mountain range named Montes Archimedes in honor of the illustrious Greek mathematician and father of mathematics. On the moon, there is a mountain range there. His name and discoveries reached a fever pitch in terms of popularity every day. Notable inventions of Archimedes, father of mathematics. Due to his significant contributions to mathematics and science, Archimedes is regarded as the father of mathematics. He was working for Syracuse's King Hiero II. He created numerous inventions at that time. Archimedes devised a pulley mechanism to assist sailors in lifting and lowering heavy goods. Archimedes combines several mathematical ideas to address mathematical issues. Archimedes creates the method of exhaustion to calculate the areas of forms. He uses a method of exhaustion, which results in a quantification of pi's worth. Mathematicians use this most remarkable achievement to determine the diameter of a circle. Archimedes discovered the connection between spheres and cylinders using this technique. He examined a parabola's surface and area as well as a circle's. One of the first mathematicians to investigate the applications of prime numbers was Archimedes. He introduced the idea of infinity. He created a weapon known as the Archimedes claw. This claw was designed to repel any military assault on the seaward face of the city wall. It used as a defense device to stave off the Roman general Marcellus' assault. The most well-known of his discoveries is the Archimedes screw, an empty cylinder plus a hollow spiral that is either inside or outside the cylinder make up an Archimedes screw. The water is moved from a lower to a higher area by the screw's spinning. This creation was used to remove water from a ship's hold. Archimedes' screw allowed water to rise. The Egyptians continue to use this incredibly useful technique for crop irrigation today. This method is employed by farmers, particularly in arid regions. One of the most significant scientific throwbacks is the Archimedes principle. The Greek mathematician came up with Archimedes' principle while working for King Hieron. There is a tale of the king and Archimedes himself that lies behind this groundbreaking discovery. A crown composed of gold was given to or commissioned by King Hieron, but after receiving it, he had his doubts. In his mind, it was silver rather than gold. Archimedes was given the task of determining if it is made of gold or silver by the monarch. Archimedes observed the motion of the water body while taking a bath. The crown is displaced by the water, which is equivalent to its volume, as a result of the crown becoming submerged. Because he was so ecstatic, Archimedes ran up saying, "Eureka!" He understood that you might measure the size of an object by submerging it in water. By measuring how fast the water was moving, one may estimate it. It gained notoriety as the Archimedes principle in the later era. A notable figure in mathematics is Archimedes. Many additional cutting-edge technological advancements were made possible by his invention. He produced numerous works that contributed to the growth of numerous ideas. On the equilibrium of planes, on the measurement of a circle, on spirals, and the sand reckoner are a few of his notable works. Archimedes made a number of contributions to mathematics throughout history. As a result of his significant contribution to mathematics, he is regarded as the father of mathematics. Death of the father of mathematics Archimedes. Sicily experienced periodic incursions from hostile powers since it was a Greek colony. Once, during a Roman invasion of Sicily under the command of Marcus Claudius Marcellus, one of the Roman troops killed Archimedes. During the 212 BC siege of Syracuse, a soldier killed him. The story of this well-known person's passing is the subject of various narratives. A group of historians assert that Archimedes was attacked by soldiers because he mistook his mathematical instruments for a weapon. Conclusion. The father of mathematics, Archimedes, spent his entire life working and learning new concepts, procedures, and skills in science and mathematics. Even if he isn't here with us in person right now, his inventions and ideas are still very much in use. His beliefs will live on in the minds of present and future scientists. His accomplishments and reputation contributed to him being known as the father of mathematics. Without Archimedes' great contribution, the modern world would not have experienced the same level of scientific advancement. His dedication to the fields of science and mathematics inspired the following generation to make several additional discoveries and inventions in these fields. Archimedes, the father of mathematics, left a legacy that modern scientists might follow to benefit society and honor the country. That's a wrap for today's video. What are your thoughts on our list? Let us know in the comments section below. And make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more future videos.